Residents finds man body during search in Tavern. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A search for a missing man led to the discovery of his body along Krushney River in Krushney District, Tavern, St. Andrews Sunday morning. Up to the publication of this report, the dead man had not yet been identified by the police. It is reported that at around 11 a.m., residents of the area were searching for a missing person who is alleged to be the now deceased in bushes in the community. While following a foot trail that led to Krushney River, they stumbled upon the partially decomposing body of the male protruding from the ground in a shallow grave. The residents then summoned the police, and on their arrival, lawmen saw the body in a shallow grave with the upper and lower section of the body covered in dirt. An arm was seen above the ground from the shoulder down to the fingers. The area was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.